Hey guys, today we're looking at home security, which brings us to the Lockly Wi-Fi Deadbolt Edition. It's a smart Wi-Fi lock which integrates into your Google and Alexa account. So let's take a quick look at what's in the box. There's plenty of documentation, a lot of instruction manuals and installation manuals, which was nice. It basically allows for installation onto a pre-drilled door, or if you had to drill the hole yourself. The unit comes in two pieces. The housing, which contains a key cylinder, has a nice finish. It's very durable. It's made out of metal. The latch, which covers the key cylinder, has a nice smooth movement and keeps the cover out of the way when open. On the bottom of the housing, it also has contacts for a 9-volt battery in case your internal battery dies and the unit doesn't power on. The 9-volt will power on long enough to allow you to enter your access code. It has a fingerprint reader easily located on the side of the unit. It is pretty precise when reading your fingerprints, but placement of your finger needs to be very precise as well, or it doesn't work. Now let's take a look at the other half of the unit. It comes with an on and off button in case you want to turn off the display and rely solely on the latch for manual operation. The one downside of the housing is that it's made of plastic, so the finish and the feel do not match the other half of the unit. I wish they would have just went all metal, considering the price point of $300. It comes with batteries and mounting hardware. It also comes with the Wi-Fi adapter to pair the door lock with your Wi-Fi. Once you pair the door lock with your Wi-Fi, it enables it to work with Google or Alexa. It also has a door sensor that when used, it will provide updates through your app telling you if the door is actually physically closed or open. I'm going to do a quick run through of the options to unlock your door and show you some of the screenshots of the app just to familiarize yourself. There are 4 ways to unlock your door: either the key manually, the touchpad with your code, the fingerprint reader, or the voice unlock through Google or Alexa. Once you use the Google or Alexa, it will have to be connected to your Wi-Fi and you will need a PIN to access that door lock. The unit also has an auto lock feature. When you tap anywhere on the display, the deadbolt is engaged. A nice feature with the app is it will let you know if the door lock is locked or open, and it will let you know if the actual physical door is closed or open when used with the door sensor. The fingerprint option works very well, but the finger placement has to be very precise in order to match the fingerprint. The Google Assistant or Alexa Assistant can also be used to unlock the door, but you do need the Wi-Fi adapter and you have to pair it with your account. You can also unlock the door when used with the app, but you do have to be within the Bluetooth range. Remember, without the Wi-Fi adapter, you can't use it with your Google or Alexa account, and without the door sensor installed, you won't be able to tell if the door is physically locked or open. And you will need to install the door sensor in order to get updates in regard to the physical status of the door in case it's open or closed. Lock my door.
Okay, locking the LOCKLY1.
Unlock my door.
Can I have your security code to unlock the LOCKLY1?
1977.
Sure, unlocking the LOCKLY1.
Is my door locked?
The LOCKLY1 is unlocked.
Overall, I've had a great experience with the door lock. It allows for easy operation, and I've had no issues when trying to unlock it via the mobile device through the app or actually through Google, which is what I use. I've had no issues with the fingerprint operation, but I have noticed I do need to be precise with the placement of the finger. Overall, I do recommend the lock. It adds a nice flair of technology to your home and to your entrance, and it's a definite conversation piece. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you like the content I'm putting out there, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.